Hello friends, let me tell you first of all about the Fiverr. Fiverr is a website, is a platform where you can earn income. You can make a very pretty revenue in Fiverr if you have some Photoshop skills. So, for instance, in Fiverr, you can create gigs like I will change the background of 10 pictures in $5. Like this is one gig. So, if you make one gig and if you get 20 orders in a month, for instance, it can be 100 also, it can be 200 also. So for example, if you get 10 gigs in a month, so 20 gigs, so 20 multiplied by 5 is equal to $100. So 100 US dollars if you live in Pakistan, so you can earn easily almost 14,000 rupees monthly, and that's a very pretty amount in Pakistan. Like you can also say approximately 15,000 per month you can make only with one gig if you have some Photoshop skill. Like even as I told you, like the changing of the background, so if you create a gig about the changing of background, you can get like orders for your gigs. So how you can change the background, let me tell you in Photoshop. Like this image you can see open, and you can select from here. There are different selection tool. For example, with polygonal lasso tool, with quick selection tool also you can select. So let we try first with quick selection tool. When you select quick selection tool, you can see like after P you can see there are two bracket keys. So if you click like left bracket, so you can increase the size of the tool, or simply from here you can also change the size. So just click one time, then again click, then again click, again click, again, and you can reduce the size of the tool like this, and then this. Now you can see we have selected like this extra area, so you can select now subtract from selection. So subtract from selection will subtract the part which you have selected extra like this. And like we also don't want this part, so we can also subtract this part, and we also don't want this part, so we can exclude or subtract like this. So you can see like how easily I have selected this one, the girl image. After this, once it's selected, you can click on select and mask. Then you can make it like smooth, and if you want to add some feather, you can add feather also in the image, in the selection I mean to say. Then click OK. Now press Ctrl plus C on your keyboard, or just click on edit and then click Ctrl plus C, then click copy, and now open this tab and then Ctrl V or edit paste. Like this has been placed here. Now select this tool, which is move tool. So with move tool, now you can see the layer is separate. So select this, press Ctrl plus T on your keyboard, the transform control will appear. Then press and hold Alt plus Shift and resize this layer from like bottom right, bottom left, or top right or top left. Once you are satisfied, then press enter. Now move this, like for example here, but we will have to rotate this. Then again press Ctrl plus T and then move your mouse here, and when you can see this, then rotate it like this. And now we can make it more, something like this, and then move it here. And if you want like more, Ctrl plus T and move it something like this. and then press enter. So you can see now this one. Now for example, this you want to make more professional. So what I will do, I will first make both of them one layer. So Control Shift E, it will make like one layer. Then select clone stem tool and select this part like from here, and you can make something like this. So once you are satisfied, you can Control+0 you can press, so it will fit in window. And now you can see how we have changed the background of this girl image with this. So now the background is changed. So it's very easy. If you know how to change the background, you can create gigs in Fiverr and you can make some extra income in Fiverr. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also share the video with your friends. Thank you very much.